Running low on iPhone storage? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you 5 simple ways to transfer data from your iPhone to your laptop, both with a USB cable and wirelessly. Let's get started. Method 1. How to transfer data from iPhone to laptop with one-click hot. If you want to transfer iPhone data to laptop without iTunes, Mobikin Assistant for iOS is the best alternative to help you out. It has the ability to transfer everything from iPhone to laptop and vice versa. Step 1. Start with installing the Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Launch it and connect your iPhone to the laptop via USB cable. The program will recognize your iPhone automatically and you will see the main interface of the program as below. Step 2. On the main screen, choose the data type contacts, SMS, videos, photos, etc. From the left sidebar. Step 3. Click Export on the top menu to transfer the selected data to your laptop. The transfer will complete in moments. Method 2. How to copy data from iPhone to laptop with iTunes. Open iTunes, connect your iPhone, and select Summary. Choose This Computer for backup. Check Encrypt iPhone backup if needed, then click Backup Now. Method 3. How to move data from iPhone to laptop with iCloud. Check for updates in Settings, Software Update. Enable iCloud in Settings, iCloud, and tap Backup Now. On your laptop, install iCloud, sign in, enable services, and click Apply. Method 4. How to transfer iPhone data to laptop using Windows AutoPlay. Connect your iPhone via USB. Tap Trust. On your laptop, choose Import Pictures and Videos. Select a folder, pick Files, and click Import to back them up. Method 5. Transfer data from iPhone to laptop via File Explorer. Connect your iPhone via USB, unlock it, and tap Trust. In this PC, go to Internal Storage DSIM 100 Apple. Select Files and copy them to a folder. Method 6. How to copy from iPhone to laptop via email. Select the files on your iPhone, tap Share, and choose Email. Fill in the recipient and click Send. On your laptop, log into your email and download the attachments.